Hello everyone, I'm Harshavardhan. I'm currently pursuing BTech at Mallareddy Engineering College. I'm really excited about joining the Zithara Technologies, especially because of mostly projects are based on web technologies. As a part of company selection process, I'm drawn to do a project related to React.js, Node.js application with PostgreSQL database. And now I want to share my project. In my project, my project is all about creating a database with 50 records along with their serial number, phone number, customer name, location, and created it. In created it, we can get data and time and some other essential details. And in project, this project helps us to identify the data quickly and accurately. I'm confident that we could bring real value, and I'm eager to talk about the project more. In this project, I used uh, in this project I used frameworks like React.js and backend server, Node.js, and database is PostgreSQL. I prefer React.js as framework because of its flexibility and easy to organize on our components in the project, and it is much more integrated with other third-party apps. In our React app, we use uh, pagination component, which is more useful. And coming to next, I prefer Node.js as my backend server because it is easy to use as I am working with React.js, and also it can eliminate the need for context switching and enable code reuse between frontend and backend. This Node.js can link up with the Postman, and we can fetch or post the data. And coming to the next, I had used PostgreSQL as my database. PostgreSQL is an open source, and it can communicate with database servers using objects in their codes. And based on the company's requirement, I have created the project, and my output is creating 50 records. And I have to create customer table which has search input field, name, age, phone, location, and I have to add the customer. Let us see the company requirement. Here first I have to create 50 records in the database using serial number, customer name, age, phone, location, and created it. In the PostgreSQL, I have created the table ID, name, age, phone, location, and created it. Here you can see the serial number, name, age, phone, location, data, time, and delete in the UI. And the second requirement is we have to create a single page application to display the about details like search option and age, name, this all. That they said that we have to create 20 items in a single page for 50 records. So we get 3 pages. And third requirement is I have to create a column separately for date and time, which is in the created it. I have created date and time separate columns. And the next requirement is by using search functionality, name and location, we have to get the details of the items. By using name functionality, I'm searching it as search Kiran. Get Sandy, and by using location, going down. Get the location of the item also by using search field. So this is we we have to create in this project. So let's go to the code. I have created two folders, client and server. Client is in nothing but creating a same like as a reactor. In this, I have written the code mainly in the input.js, which are in the components. This is the code. I have used a component called React pagelet. It is a component pagelet, and other components, other methods we use state and use effect, and we use this Axios get Axios post to fetch the data from the postman. And mainly we have created the table by using this. We have created the table. Will be displayed in the UI and have done CSS part for adding styles. And coming to my server, I had created a database. In server, we use database and Node.js. In database, I have created a table called dtable, where we can get the values which we needed as we given in the UI. And in database, in db.js, we just give the password username of the PostgreSQL which we have to make. And this is the main part of the Node.js in the backend. Here I use Express.js which pods and this pull from the db.js, and here I have used app.post. By this we can post the data to the postman. App.get app.get, we can fetch the data and we can delete the data by using this. Now I have to run the code. I have to run the backend. First we have to install the node modules. Here I have installed before only, so I'm running the backend. It has successfully run. Server has stopped in 2000, and we have to run the front part. Here also we have to install the node modules, and I'm starting the client app. It has created here output has been created, and in that part also we have to get the database from the PostgreSQL. For that we have to take the command prompt and we have to give the path where the PostgreSQL has been located, and these paths should be given to the environmental variable where it will be accessed the location, and we have to give the command PSQL -u postgres, and we have to enter the password which I have given to the PostgreSQL. At last, we will create the table for the database. Create table, dtable. Let's create the table. And we use Postman for post, get, and delete. We've taken the link from the website and we send the data. Here, when we post the data, we have to take the JSON and we have to give the details to this. So you can send it by sending this. You can get ID, name, age, phone, location, and created. In this created, we can get time and date. Yeah, please. Here we can add the data to the records. The record has been added in the last pick 3. Sure. By using this project, you can easily search the item by using name, location, and we can also sort the date. You can also sort the items by using date and time. Here I have created all the records on the same date, so you can sort the we can sort it only by using time because the time is different. This is all about my project. Thank you.